Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Google TV apps. Now let's get started. First, open your Google Play Store, this one. Just click on it, and in here you just click on the search icon, this one. Click Google Play movies and TV, and then this one you just click on it and click install. Okay, the Google TV app is a new version of the Google Play movies and TV apps. If you turn on automatic apps update, you may already have the Google Apps TV. And please waiting. Okay, that's how to get the Google TV apps on Google Play Store. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys. Bye-bye.